I've sussed this camera out now, I think. I'll pause it. Anyway, let's take up this how not to do a bath panel. La 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 la. The ice cream van's just gone past, right? I'm in Cardiff, I'm working away in the ice cream van. And the song he's playing is very patriotic, very good indeed. And it's in my head now, but I shan't sing it because it's YouTube and I'll get done. Oh, beautiful, it's all coming away now. We can see all the issues. Definitely need myself an apprentice just going up and down to the van. But look at this. Someone's left me a Gary Bevel. Happy days. Right, it ain't going to take me very long to rip this up. It's taken me longer to learn how to use the camera. Don't know about you, but if you're 5'8" like I am, right? D-Walt and all the others seem to think we've got really long legs for shorts. And they always catch on my little knees. Pain in the arse. No matter which one I go with, they all do the same. So if anyone's watching from a workwear company and you've got people with, you know, short legs, short femurs, can you make shorts that are a little bit more shorter, please? Because they catch my knees. Right, so that's away, that's away. I can't see, is that a screw there? No screw there, there's a screw there. I reckon they ain't even bothered to glue the joints, so I reckon this is just going to pop up. Place your bets, place your bets. We won't bother screwing the flooring down, we'll just leave it up. La 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 la. We're just going to leave the flooring unscrewed. La 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 la. There's nothing underneath this supporting this, that's why it's all right now. Yeah, looks like it, champ. Let's grab my screwdriver. Right. Yeah. Can we get that? I think I'm just going to go and grab the multi-tool just because I can. Make life a bit easier. As everyone knows, I've gone over to Milwaukee, but I just can't believe the prices of their multi-tool blades and their Starlink blades. Absolute rip-off. So I've gone back to my Makita because it's cheaper. Might just do it like that now, to be fair.